Alrighty, hello, Beth the Builder here. Merry Christmas, first of all. I wanted to put out a quick video with my snowball on the wall, as well as a little time lapse of my first wood spirit that I carved. But I'm going to be taking a couple weeks off from videos and trying to focus on something else. And hopefully I'll have some exciting news in 2021 about a new thing I'm starting. But thank you all the people for subscribing, watching, liking, leaving me comments, being supportive. I appreciate the heck out of it. So Merry Christmas, be safe, be jolly, and yeah, I'll see you in 2021. Alrighty, this is Beth the Builder carves a wood spirit, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I have this janky piece of wood, and I bought the Wen rotary tool. I believe it was like, I don't know, $37 or something. I don't even know, less than that, $25. It was cheap. So, nothing fancy, but I'm gonna draw on this. already. I mean, I don't know. I've never done this before, so it looks kind of like a fucking face, right? I don't know. Like, you got a nose, got some weird eyes, mouth, crazy beard. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, literally carved very few things. This is just a shitty piece of wood that I have. Hey, eyebrows, you know, up here. There's a nail in this, I guess. I didn't know about. So, Betsy's got one bad eye. But, I don't know. I'm gonna keep working on it and see, try a bunch of different bits. Probably watch some Carving Fusion Jordy for some help, since I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, I mean, I have a little bit of an idea, but, yeah. Alrighty, let's keep going. Alrighty, this is how far I've gotten. I don't know. I cut some of this wood off on the bottom so that his beard would have more of like a cool taper to it instead of just being kind of weird and square. So I think that'll be cool. I was inspired by Jordy over at Carving Fusion to try and do a wood spirit. It wouldn't be the first thing that I'd look to carve, but I figured it'd be really good practice. And, you know, he's got so many good videos about how to carve wood spirits and lots of good advice that I figured I should, you know, try and practice. And then I can get carving on other things that I really like and, you know, like would maybe spend more time carving, I don't know, Christmas trees or, you know, my Nancy Drew things. I don't know. I'm really into Nancy Drew. So I don't know. I think I'll do some more on this and kind of try and get his beard to be more beardy and his eyeballs. I don't know. I just put some Sharpie in there to like give it the effect so that I could kind of see what it was looking like. This board has a bunch of nails in it and it was kind of split, but I kind of like it. I think it gives him like kind of a funky nose look. So yeah,